What's up, you degenerates? What's going on, guys? All right, so having a little bit of a green evening now, turning things around a little bit. Things are looking good. Looking across the bubble sphere, what's going on, guys? Jasmy up 0.7% on the day, down 1.6% on the week, down 38% on the month, and up 344% on the year. We are up one spot ranked to 75, 1.16 billion on the market cap, and 91.65 million in volume. Volume is down dramatically, guys, but I mean, we're up, so looks okay. Looks okay. Jasmy's still in a bullish structure. We're going to look at it shortly. XCN up 1.2% on the day, up 4.3% on the week, up 997% on the week, the month, and up 2,287% on the year. We're even at rank at 78, $1.01 billion market cap, and volume's at 233.91. Not too bad on the volume there, guys. Swift Coin down 5%, up 64% on the week, up 338% on the month, and up 1,402% on the year. We're down 6 spots in rank to 180, $306 million market cap. Volume down at 47 million. So basically, guys, volume's down across the board. Not much trading going on right now, one way or the other, which is fine. And I'm going to get into why I think that is over when we get to the Bitcoin chart. Going to look over at Jasmy. Again, just still inside of our bull flag here, guys. This descending channel is going to break to the upside very, very nicely. What you want to target is right here at 3 cents 589. You want to set a higher low or a higher high than that. So you want to close a daily candle above there, and then we are breaking this downward structure and putting in a higher high. That's what you're looking for. RSI 40.78. So yeah, it's kind of what we're looking for right now. We got to get back trading above the SMAs there, the 30-day, the 100-day, and the 200-day. So we just kind of wait it out, guys. We kind of wait it out. I'm dollar cost averaging like crazy into my favorite altcoins, guys. And I, would hope that you're doing the same thing. Onyx coin ping-ponging inside of this bull flag, or this bull pennant still, looking very, very healthy. We continue to close candles inside of here, which is fantastic. Maybe we'll come back up and retest the top of this trend line for a third day in a row. Maybe we'll finally break out. We'll see what happens, right? Maybe tomorrow, maybe tonight. We'll be streaming the chart, so make sure you stick around. So far, guys, 3 cents 105, not too bad there. So we're looking at bullish structures.
This is for informational purposes only. For financial advice or investment decisions, consult a professional.
Sorry, my phone
sounds like you're closely
thinks I'm
watching
talking
a stock
to it.
chart and looking for.
Sorry, guys. That's the problem with having a Google phone. Every time you talk around it, it thinks you're talking to it, and then it talks back. Very nice. Anyways, like I was saying, all of these altcoins are inside bullish structures right now, guys, for the most part. So a breakout is imminent. Now, it might take a few more days. It might take the rest of the week, right? I've been looking at a lot of charts here, going over to the Swift chart as well. Before I get into that, I'll get into it on the Bitcoin chart. But looking at the Swift chart, we have fallen outside of the bull pennant on the Swift chart, guys. But, we got to wait it out. See if we break back inside of here. Again, it doesn't matter where these candles wick down to. It matters where they close. So this candle we're in right now could be back up inside of this this bull pennant by the time we close the candle tomorrow. So don't put too much stroke into it tonight. That's what she said. And we'll see what happens, right? But if we can reclaim the bull pennant here, guys, like we did on Onyx Coin. Onyx Coin did the same thing, and then it reclaimed it, right? So can Swift do the same thing? We'll have to wait and see. Moving over to Bitcoin. Now, what I think is going to happen here, guys, honestly, until probably the middle of the month, I kind of feel like for the next possibly 10 days, I feel like it's going to be a lot of just ping-ponging where we are, both in Bitcoin and in the altcoins, right? And I know it sucks to hear that, but it is a good opportunity to DCA. I know a lot of you guys in the live streams and stuff are telling me, you're hoping it stays like this until your payday coming up on Friday or whatever. Well, I believe that it is entirely possible that we will kind of do some sideways trading up, down, up, down, up, down, kind of like we've been doing here over the last 2 days. Possibly for the next 10 days or so, guys, till the middle of February before we finally get that break to the upside. And the good news is that because I just said that, we'll probably moonshot tomorrow. So yeah, but that's kind of what I'm looking at. So you may have some time, possibly, to DCA in if you don't have dry powder and you're waiting on payday or you're waiting on money or whatever it is. You might have some time, possibly, right? I feel like it's looking like we're probably going to consolidate, build up some strength, bouncing around between 97K and 101K. That's probably going to be our playground for the next 10 to 14 days, in my opinion. So I could be wrong. We could break out tomorrow, right? But that's kind of what I'm seeing right now. So, yeah. All right, moving over, we got some XCN, some Chain news, guys. So Chain tweeted this out earlier today, disrupting traditional credit scoring systems with blockchain. Countless industries, including fintech, now have the prospect of being changed with the use of blockchain technology. One system that stands out as a likely area to be disrupted in the conventional credit scoring model which has remained a significant part of the banking and financial sector for decades. Blockchain solves many problems in today's systems, such as credit scoring, including transparency, inclusivity, and security issues. The current challenges: many criticize traditional credit scoring systems for their lack of transparency and reliance on outdated methods. Indicators such as loan repayment histories and credit card usage come with the risk of leaving a significant portion of the population, particularly the unbanked regions, with little to no credit history. Additionally, the centralized nature of these systems makes them vulnerable to issues that have troubled countless financial institutions over the years, such as identity theft. And while we're talking about Onyx Coin, XCN, and Chain, who else solves that problem? Jasmy. With its decentralized and immutable ledger, blockchain technology introduces a transformative approach to credit scoring. By leveraging blockchain, it is possible to create a more holistic and secure system that enhances transparency and offers greater access to credit for the unbanked population. Decentralization and transparency. Blockchain allows the decentralized storage system, unlike traditional systems, where credit data is soiled within specific financial institutions. This information can be recorded on a public or private blockchain, visible to all participating entities, while ensuring privacy is maintained and flexible. The transparency helps reduce fraud and ensures all parties access to the same information, facilitating fairer credit decisions. Inclusivity and comprehensive data aggregation. Blockchain enables the aggregation of alternative data for credit scoring. This includes utility payments, rent, subscription services, and even social media activities, which could be securely recorded to establish an identity that can be used for finance activities for those without traditional credit histories. By broadening the types of data used for credit assessment, blockchain can help integrate a larger segment of the global population into the financial systems. Enhancing security and smart contracts. Smart contracts on blockchain can automate many processes involved in credit scoring and loan approval, minimizing human error and the possibility of manipulation. These contracts can be programmed to execute automatically when certain conditions are met, such as releasing funds upon collateral verification and securing the loan process. Self-sovereign identity. Blockchain can facilitate a shift towards self-sovereign identity systems. Individuals control their own identity and credit information, sharing data selectively and securely with creditors. This model protects privacy and reduces the chances of identity theft, a common issue in traditional credit systems. The adoption of blockchain in credit scoring could significantly impact traditional credit bureaus. These institutions might need to adapt by adopting blockchain to remain relevant or risk being bypassed as financial intermediaries. This shift could lead to more competitive pricing, better customer service, and innovative products tailored to meet the challenging needs of consumers. Despite its promising future, integrating blockchain into credit scoring is not without challenges. Regulatory hurdles, technological complexities, and the need for widespread adoption among financial institutions pose significant barriers. Moreover, the privacy concerns about sensitive personal data on a blockchain and the energy consumption of some blockchain systems must be addressed to ensure sustainable and responsible use. In conclusion, as blockchain technology matures and more use cases in finance are validated, the possibility of disrupting traditional credit scoring becomes more tangible. Innovations like decentralized finance and projects aimed at improving financial inclusion between tech companies and financial institutions, blockchain could redefine how credit worthiness is measured and managed in the future. In conclusion, while challenges remain, the potential for blockchain to overhaul traditional credit scoring systems is immense. By addressing key issues such as inclusivity, security, and transparency, blockchain stands ready to transform the landscape of financial credit, making it more accessible and fairer for all. About Chain. Chain is a blockchain infrastructure solution company that has been on a mission to enable a smarter and more connected economy since 2014. Chain offers builders in the Web3 industry services that help streamline the process of developing and maintaining their blockchain infrastructures. Chain implements a SaaS model for its product that addresses the complexities of overall blockchain management. Chain offers a variety of products such as Ledger, Cloud, and NFTs as a service. Companies who choose to utilize Chain services will be able to free up resources for developers and cut costs so that clients can focus on their own products and customer experience. Very, very fascinating perspective from XCN and Chain, you guys. So listen, I surprised everybody tonight over on the live on the Patreon, and I dropped yet another amazing gem over there tonight, guys. Extremely low market cap, extreme utility, major narrative that's going to explode. I aped in pretty hard today, guys. Everyone was pretty jacked up about it on the Patreon. We drop these gems early, guys, before they go nuts. So you want to get in on these early. You want to accumulate. You want to learn what you can about these projects before all the big content creators are talking about them, right? Buying it after it's gone viral and it's trending and all the big channels are talking about it is useless to you. You've already missed the 2,000-3,000% pumps that come from these small cap projects that we get into early, right? So again, I dropped another one over there today, just today. So get over there. I didn't even announce it that I was going to do it. I just surprised everybody. It was a fantastic conversation, guys. Fantastic. We go live over on the Patreon every single night, and you never know what's going to happen over there, guys. It's a phenomenal conversation. And listen, if you need help, if you're new to crypto, we have a lot of veterans over there that are doing a lot of good work, that are helping out with a lot of newer people. Shout out to people like Jetpack and Dumb Money and so on and so forth that are helping out everybody, answering questions. Otaku's over there. Shout out to Crypto Otaku. My guy, he's over there too. All that and more, guys. We're there helping everybody learn. One of the hot topics right now is helping people understand Coinbase wallet and other DeFi wallets that they can find a lot of these projects on, understanding gas fees, all this kind of stuff. If you need help with these kinds of things, guys, We're there for you. That's the point. We have over 1,500 people in our community. The chats are always going crazy. We're live every single night. We're dropping gems, making it rain over there. Over 25 people have hit 7-digit portfolios in the last 3 weeks, and many others have hit high 6 figures, guys, because of the projects that we are getting into here. So do not miss your opportunity. And on top of all of that, you can also book one-on-one coaching AMAs with this guy right here. So click like if you like this video, click subscribe if you really like it. Join the Patreon community, guys. The link is down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.